All right, so I'm recording now. I'm gonna share, this is gonna be a demonstration of how to trace over something in Adobe Illustrator. So I'm opening up Illustrator here. I'm just gonna look up map of, I don't even know. Let me do something simpler. Okay, you're not doing Call of Duty, so I'll just do Call of Duty map. Overhead. Okay, does this look right to you? Does this look like something that you're familiar with?
That looks like it's from an older game. I don't think I've played that.
Okay, I'll do, oh, how about this? Let's do this. That's similar to what you have, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take this one. And so I'm gonna copy that. Actually, you have it, you already saved the map as an image, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna save this as an image like so. So here in Adobe Illustrator, I'm gonna go to create new, and I'm gonna make something for, I'm gonna say film and video, and I'm gonna do this preset, 1280 by 720. And I'm gonna create this.
All right.
And so it's going to give you this view of our board. And it's in film mode, so it's kind of showing you the lines and all the different little pixels for those lines. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to go to File, Place. And I'm going to place that map. In your case, you're going to place the screenshot of the map, like so. And then you can resize that. Are you following along with Illustrator with me, Roman?
Yeah. Wait, what tab did you select to place?
You go to File and then Place.
All right. And do I want it as big as possible within the green?
Yeah, I would try to keep it within this middle green rectangle. I think that's like a good proportion to keep it at.
All right.
So
Here,
right now it fits. Well, what'd you say, Roman?
my screenshot has like a bit of the game showing as well. So just try to get like the map. Like it's okay if the screenshot itself is a little bit off, but if the map is inside the green circle.
Yeah, just a map. Yeah.
All right.
Because we can remove that later. All right. Are you at this step right now, Roman?
Yeah, I'm just trying to get it. All right. Yeah.
Okay. So once you're here, you can go to your Layers tab. So if you go to the right, click on these diamonds. Let me know if you have that, because sometimes you might not have it in your view.
Oh, I have it on like a separate thing. All right. I'm in the latest tab then.
Okay. So you can do that. And now what we can do is, actually, before we do that, I'm going to click on the graphic. So it should have the bounding box around it like so. And then you can go to your transparency tab. If you don't have it, you can also go to window transparency.
All right.
I'm gonna bring it down to like 50. So I'll bring it down to 50.
All right.
Once you do that, in your layers tab again, you can lock layer 1 with that little padlock icon,
All right.
and then create new layer. It's gonna
Is
give
that
you, oh, say
oh,
that again, Roman.
is the plus the square with the plus in it?
Yeah, the square with the plus sign.
All right.
So yeah, and now you're in layer 2. So from here, you can use, so like, is your map similar to this where it's just like a lot of like straight lines like so?
Yeah.
Okay. Um, I would use the pen tool. I think this would be the easiest way to get this going. So if you go to P, or if you hit pen tool or like click P, um, you can start by just basically starting at one point of a rectangle, clicking the next point, clicking the third point, fourth point, and then ending at the fifth point, like so. And I can do that for pretty much every box. And one thing that will be handy when you're drawing the pen tool and you move around, do you get this like magenta line that kind of guides you?
Yeah, and it has like words like intersect, anchor, path.
Yeah. Does your line, does it like snap to like a 90-degree angle?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Just make sure that that setting is still on. If in case it goes off for some reason, you can go to view and then turn on smart guides. That's just going to help you make this like super geometric and clean.
All right. And when I'm outlining the map,
Mhm.
I want to just like make the rectangles on the outside of the map. Not like
Yeah. Oh, wait, say it again.
so. Should I outline the map so the rectangles fill like the actual map itself, and then the outside space is empty, or should I have it so the outside space is what's filled with the rectangles and the map itself is it?
Hmm. Well, I think we're gonna have to figure that out next time. I think like I would just get the lines and then we can play around with like what we want to be filled in and what we want to be lines. But in Illustrator, that's really easy. You can just swap, you can just change the color like that. If you don't want to think about that, you can also just set everything. So like if I click this and my fill is selected, I can then just hit this, the transparent. So I'm just focusing on getting the lines.
All right, now I'm kind of confused. So we're doing rectangles, but could you just like just outline the map with the pen tool?
Yeah, that's fine too. Yeah.
All right.
I don't know what your map looks like, Ramon. So I'm going off of what I'm seeing. So it's up to
Oh,
you to take like what I'm sharing with you and then use that for what you see.
because I wanted it to be like kind of a white on black background. So
Mm.
I was trying to
So,
think like the easiest way to do it so I can just change the color of the whole map. Not like
oh, okay. So you want the whole thing to be white.
um all right. Actually, the way I was envisioning it
Mm-hmm.
was like so just like where the line like the outline of the map would be white
Mm.
and everything else was black.
Even better. Um, you can do that just by changing the stroke. So as a refresher with Illustrator, this is your fill, which is the inside of the shape. And then this right here is the stroke, which default is black. but you can double click it and then set it to white. The hex code for white is FFFFFF. And that just sets it to white like that.
All right.
Oh my gosh, it's almost 4. Okay, I want to get chatting with Colin, Roman.
All right.
Do you feel like you have a good handle on at least just getting the lines or whatever you need for this going?
Yeah. And here's just a quick question. I was
Mhm.
kind of thinking like the style of it, like because there's like a ton of different maps, like this where it's like perfectly geometric. I was
Yeah.
kind of thinking to have it look kind of more like a hand drawn type.
Hmm.
So like maybe just go over with like a pencil tool or something.
Oh, so you want the lines to look like they were drawn?
Kind of, yeah.
We can find a brush preset on Illustrator and then we can just set it to all the lines like that.
Oh, all right. So I
Yeah.
should just outline the map with the pen tool though.
Just outline with a pen tool and then we can find the right effect for the lines that you want it to look like.
All right.
Um, okay, I know this was quick, Roman, but I do just want to check in with Colin for at least 5 minutes. I'm recording this so I can also I'll upload it later after class and you can